Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to give someone a role on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click Members in the left sidebar to open the member management page showing everyone in your server. Click the Add Roles button next to the member you want to assign, in this example, GimmeGum, and a role selection menu appears showing all available roles in your server. Click the role you want to assign. For this example, I'm selecting Moderator, and a tick appears beside it confirming the role has been added. You can assign multiple roles to the same person by clicking several checkboxes before closing the menu. Their highest role determines their name color in the member list. If you need to remove a role later, just open the same menu and untick it. Roles only grant the permissions you've configured in server settings under the Roles tab, so assigning a role won't automatically give mod powers unless you've set those permissions up first. And that's how to give someone a role on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.